Richard, our resilient star. Ace, our amazing star. Alan, our adventurous star. Dragon, our dependable star. Ning, our noble star. Audrey, our admirable star. Amanda, our awesome star. Dory, our dazzling star. Ian, our inspiring star. Jason, our joyful star. Darren, our dedicated star. And Ryder, our remarkable star. Our dear CO2 stars, please remember that your journey does not end here. The lessons you learned, the friendships you made, the laughter you shared, and even little challenges you overcame will become memories that you can carry with you. I hope you continue to dream big, believe in yourselves, and never be afraid to try something new. But of course, our CO2 stars would not have reached this moment without the wonderful teachers who guided and supported them along the way. To Jam, our caring teacher, thank you for always bringing warmth and patience to the classroom. To Nash, our nurturing teacher, thank you for making the students feel supported and encouraged to do their best. To Gail, our guiding teacher, thank you for helping our students find their confidence and direction. To Tia, our thoughtful teacher, thank you for the care and effort you have poured into every moment with CO2. To Kate, our kind-hearted teacher, thank you for creating an environment where our students could learn, laugh, and feel comfortable being themselves. And to Teacher Laika, our loving teacher, thank you for giving your time, your energy, and pouring all of your heart to our students. To all our CO2 teachers, thank you for being more than just teachers. You became teammates, role models, cheerleaders, and people our students could look up to. The memories we created together would not have been the same without each one of you. You may each shine in your own way, but together, you make CO2 stars truly special. And wherever you go, always remember our CO2 motto. Nothing is possible with CO2.